We are presenting arthroscopic knotless repair of superior and posterior labral tears. Viewing from the posterior portal, we can see the glenohumeral joint and the labrum. Establishing an anterior portal with our metal cannula and probe, we can see the labrum is detached superiorly and posteriorly. With our camera in the anterior portal and our probe in the posterior portal, we can again see that the labrum is fully detached superiorly and posteriorly. With our camera in the posterior portal and our shaver in the anterior portal, we begin our bony bed preparation. Utilizing a shaver, the bony bed is prepared. Switching our camera to our anterior portal, the posterior bony bed is also repaired with a shaver. An accessory portal was utilized for assistance. We will begin our repair with suture passer loaded with a PDS suture. After our suture passer has been passed through the glenoid, we introduce PDS suture into the glenohumeral joint for purposes of shuttling our labral tape. A loop grasper is used to grasp our PDS suture and pull it through our cannula, where it will be tied to our labral tape. Utilizing our loop grasper and the PDS shuttle, the labral tape is passed through the labrum. Our drill guide is then inserted through the cannula in preparation for drilling. Our labral tape will be introduced through our anchor and placed into our drill hole. Prior to malleting the anchor into our drill hole, appropriate tensioning of the labral repair will be selected, and then the anchor will be malleted into our hole. A suture cutter will be utilized to cut the labral tape flush with the surface of the glenoid. We will place a second anchor using similar technique. Our suture passer will be passed through the labrum and PDS suture will be utilized to shuttle our labral tape. Tensioning of the repair can be verified. A third anchor is then placed in similar fashion, utilizing PDS suture to shuttle our labral tape. And finally, a fourth anchor will also be placed using similar technique. From our posterior portal, we can see the repair of our labrum. From our anterior portal, we can again check the tension of our repair, and in addition, we may notice that there are no knots on the surface of the glenoid.